morning. Welcome to Rise to Greatness, and it's a brand new edition of your favorite show, inspirational show. And today I want to really go further on talking about knowledge. Yesterday we shared about how do you shake the tree of knowledge, and today I want to really share about how to really profit from knowledge. How do you profit from knowledge? Now, when you have knowledge, when you acquire knowledge, it's really not so much as important as when you apply it. And to really apply knowledge, good morning, to really apply knowledge, you need to actually organize knowledge. You need to organize knowledge. So knowledge isn't really important until it is applied. And to really apply knowledge, you need to organize knowledge. So it's actually organized knowledge that becomes more profitable. Organized knowledge becomes profitable. So knowledge is power, but applying knowledge is much more powerful. And organizing knowledge makes it profitable. So thank you for watching. If you found value, do share, and bye for now.